Yeah, good day to you all my viewers. In this video, I'm going to give you more 2023 WAEC mathematics likely question or prospective question. I urge you to sit back and watch this video from the beginning to the end, and I promise you that you're going to enjoy it. Please kindly share this video with all students you know around you that are preparing for 2023 WAEC. Please kindly share. And also, hit the notification bell if you have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel, please, and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload any new video on this channel, you'll be among the first set of people to have it. Thank you so much. Now, let's have question number 1. Question number 1 is stated as follows. The force of attraction, F, between two bodies varies directly as the product of their masses, M1 and M2, and inversely as the square of the distance between them. Given that F is equal to 20 Newton, when M1 is equal to 25 kilogram, M2 is equal to 10 kilogram, and distance D is equal to 5 meter. We are asked to find, Roman figure 1, an expression for F in terms of M1, M2, and the distance D. Roman figure 2, the distance D when F is equal to 30 Newton, M1 is equal to 7.5 kilogram, and M2 is equal to 4 kilogram. Now, to go about this question, or to go about solving this question, first thing you do is to list all the items that are given to us, all the terms that are given to us in the question, list them out. Let's have a solution. Okay? And you have force F to be equal to 20 Newton. Okay? Then M1 equal to what? 25 kilogram. While M2 is equal to 10 kilogram as it is given in the question. Okay? Distance D is given to be 5 meter. Okay? And the statement of the question, from the statement of the question, we are told that F, the force of attraction F, is, directly proportional to the product of the masses of the body, of the two bodies rather. Okay? And it's inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So we have the statement stated mathematically like this. The next thing now is to introduce the proportional constant K as to remove the proportional sign. And that is done this way. Okay? You have F is equal to K M1 M2 all over D square. Okay? Now, what's the next thing? The next thing is to insert all the values, insert it into this formula. All the values we are given, insert it into this formula accordingly. And from there, we're going to have the value for K. Okay? And that implies that, we have our F to be 20. Therefore, K is equal to 2. Okay? Having done that, you move straight away. You move K, the value of K, straight away into this formula. And it implies that F is equal to 2 M1 M2 all over D square. This is the answer to question 1, Roman figure 1. That is the expression for F in terms of M1, M2, and MD. Okay? Question 1, Roman figure 1. Okay? Now, Roman figure 2. Let's look at solution to Roman figure 2. The distance D when F is equal to 30 Newton. So we are asked to find D when F is equal to 30 Newton, and M1 is equal to what? 7.5 kilogram. Then we have M2 to be equal to, we are given M2 to be equal to what? 4 kilogram. Okay? And we have to find the value of distance D. Using this same formula, you can get the value. Okay? This is a ready-made formula. So you can get the value with the formula by inserting all these values that are given into this formula. Then you have to make D the subject of formula, and straight away you get your answer. Okay? So you have F to be 30 Newton, so just write down 30. Okay? And you have 2 as constant. Then M1 is equal to what? What is M1? 7.5. What is M2? 4. Okay? All over D square. Yeah, you have to use your calculator. So if you use your calculator, you have, first and foremost, do cross multiplication. So you have, that will be 30D square, okay, equal to 60. Okay? So with your calculator, you can calculate this. This will give us 60. I mean, 2 times 7.5 times 4 will give you 60. Okay? And from here, you make this square the subject of formula by dividing both sides by 30. So divide both sides by 30 so that you have this going this 2 times. Okay? So this square is equal to, this square is equal to 2. But we are asked to find D, not this square. Therefore, D is equal to square root of 2. Because you just take the square root of both sides. Just take the square root of both sides. Square we cancel square root. We are left with D. So D is equal to root 2. Thank you.